I am an American, Mr. Zachariah. Aha, justice for all. For those who deserve it, Captain Jaggery said Mr. Crannick, laboring arm, was his by rights. Miss Doyle, Mr. Crannick has but one arm now. He was that much beaten by Captain Jaggery, who, as he said himself, took the arm. I was first surgeon, then carpenter to Mr. Crannick.
I like how Mr. Zachariah says, justice for all, and how he states it in a question.
Yeah, it does say as a question, because Charlotte is an American and Mr. Zachariah is African American. Also, the people on the boat are way different.
Yeah, that is not fair because Captain Jaggery considers himself as the highest.
Yeah, he is the highest, and that's not fair.
Here it says, took the arm, and it also states he was beaten. What might this say?
Yeah, I see that. I see that it says Mr. Crannick was that much beaten by Captain Jaggery that Zachariah had to amputate the arm, and they replaced the arm with a wooden arm. That's pretty cool.
Appalled, I jumped off the stool. I don't believe you, I exclaimed. Justice is poorly served when you speak ill about your betters. It was a phrase I had heard my father use many times. Whether you believe me or not, Miss Doyle, it is true, he said, moving to block me from the exit. It was my turn to offer him back.
I see here when it says, applaud, I jumped off the stool, and Charlotte doesn't believe Zachariah about that. What do you think about that?
This might be because Charlotte thinks Captain Jaggery is a gentleman because he takes her for tea and brings her gifts.
That is true because she hasn't seen him doing anything bad lately, but maybe Zachariah is trying to tell Charlotte to watch out for Captain Jaggery.
Yes, I found another line saying, whether you believe me or not, Miss Doyle, it is true, he said, moving to block me from the exit. It was my turn to offer him back. What does this mean?
Yeah, that is right, because Zachariah is telling Charlotte to be careful, and she doesn't believe him. But Zachariah wants her to believe him. I wonder if Charlotte does believe Zachariah after all. Also, Zachariah blocked Charlotte from the exit because maybe Captain Jaggery is there.
Seems like wanting others to believe you is a strong theme in this book so far.